friends, welcome to Essence Kitchen. Today I am going to make a recipe of prawns gravy in raw mango. This is a typical Kerala dish which we can savor it with either steamed rice. You can also have it with tapioca sabji or with roti, naan, chapatis. So let's get started. For the gravy, the ingredients which are taken are, I have taken 500 grams of prawns, peeled and deveined, 1 raw mango. I have taken raw mango of this size, thinly sliced. The other ingredients which go for the gravy are 1 medium sized onion, thinly sliced, 10 to 12 shallots, thinly sliced, curry leaves, green chilies, slit. I have taken 3 to 4 green chilies, 1.5 inch ginger, thinly sliced and diced. The other spice powders which go with the gravy are 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can increase or decrease the quantity of red chili according to the spiciness which you require for the gravy, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, salt as per taste, and half a cup of grated coconut. So let's get started for making the gravy. For that, I have taken a clay pot. Generally, fish curries are made in clay pot which taste awesome. So let's first put the prawns into the pot. Put the sliced and cut first onions, shallots, ginger, green chilies and curry pattas. Now we'll put all the dry spices. In goes the turmeric powder, then the red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and coconut oil. Mix them well till the coconut oil gets marinated well into the prawns. This marination with coconut oil leaves an awesome The prawns are well coated with all the spices, the green chilies, ginger, onion slit, and the marination, the topping is the marination with coconut oil, gives a different aroma and flavor to the curry. Next, we have to grind the coconut in little water. Coconut paste is mixed with the marinated prawns. Mix it well. Add sufficient water for the prawns to cook in. Please note that the raw mangoes are yet not added to the gravy. We will let it boil the gravy for 5 to 10 minutes and then we will add the raw mangoes. The prawns gravy is kept to boil. We will let the gravy boil for 5 to 10 minutes and then we will add the raw mango. It's more than 10 minutes that the curry is being boiled. So here now I'm going to add the sliced raw mangoes. The reason why the raw mangoes are being added subsequently is since it is thinly sliced, the raw mangoes will get smashed very fast. So now we let the raw mango get mixed in the curry well. We'll boil it for another 5 to 7 minutes. Here the gravy is cooked. The mangoes are tender. So the prawns gravy in raw mango is cooked. As a topping, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix it well. Turn off the gas. The prawns gravy in raw mango is prepared, cooked. So let's serve it. You can either have it with tapioca or with steamed rice or with roti, naan, chapati. Prawns raw mango curry is ready. You can have it with tapioca. This is the tapioca sabji. You can have it with tapioca. This is prawns raw mango. The prawns raw mango curry can also be taken along with steamed rice. You will just love this Kerala delicacy. Do try once.